Det är färdigt. Då registrerar vi den Canby-konsoletten nu på mig på måndag.
Okej. Tisdag. Fjärde tisdag.
Just hot water, clean away take away the stickiness of the brine. Because it's with sugar, so it will be sticky if you don't wash it properly with water. There you go. Done. This is...
Lagi ka na, Daddy.
Ja.
Lagi ka na. Yan naman ang tabi na.
Du? Nej, det var en ägg.
Good.
Men...
And yay, that's it, that's all. Clean up, wash the table.
Så går det automatiskt att inte du får regning på den efteråt.
Okay.
Det går in.
Son, cutie,
Yeah.
help me and give me paper.
Yes, after ito ka po.
What paper? Not the paper. I need the ano. Okay, thank you. And all this clean up for me. Thank you. We will dry the put it there. So even you do like this, guys, it's 100% sure that it's not going to, you know, this one is just little inside. It's alright, you can use it. And let it stay in your refrigerator
For 3 years.
how long or when you want to eat it, you decide.
For 3
It
years.
will never
guys.
be kaput. It will never be
What? For 3 years.
3 years. I don't think so. It will. I think the longest it stays with everyone who loves it. Someone just eat it for you know, just one day. They love it.
Yeah.
So we have 1 big basin, 3, and let us say half of that. Oh, you see that? This is the little on that. Yes, you guys. That's how much we make from the 2.5 papaya. Because half of the papaya, I will save it for tomorrow. Thank you, amigo. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Yes. You see, this is a business already, amigo, because actually, you can, you can either, if you have a weighing scale, so you can just weigh it and, how many grams you can sell it. This is business. But here, it's for consumption. And I'm planning to have some, and will invite some neighbors and maybe we'll use it as an appetizer. We'll see. This time, I'm not going to give anything to someone because this is for us. Last time, I made a lot and I gave it also. As last time, I have like a small jar like that and I gave it to neighborhood. And some, I think I bought 8 pieces of this and this is what left in me. So the 7 were already given, 8 big pieces like this and 2 smaller. Now it's gone. This is what I left, what I got again. So beautiful, right? So if you have like long beans, you have like chili, green chili, paprika, just use the variety of colors so that it will be colorful. So if you want some green, so you can also add the paprika. You don't need to cook everything, just the paprika, you just slice it. You don't need to squeeze out the juice. Only the papaya and the carrots. Okay, amigo. Bye.